Good morning, children. We'll continue with Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice, Act 4, Scene 1, page 184. We are still in the Court of Justice, but the verdict has been given by Portia that Shylock has to give all his property and wealth to the state of Venice because he indirectly tried to destroy the life of a Venetian citizen, that is Antonio. And the Gratiano makes a comment that Shylock will have to be hanged at the expense of the state because he does not have money now even to buy a rope to hang himself. Beg that thou mayest have leave. Have leave means have permission to hang thyself, and yet thy wealth being forfeit to the state. Since your wealth is confiscated by the state, thou hast not left the value of a cord. Cord is rope. You don't have money to buy even a rope. Therefore, thou must be hanged at the state's charge. You have to be hanged at the expense of the state. Duke, thou shalt see the difference of our spirit. You will see the difference in our attitude. When Shylock was insisting on justice, Duke is ready to grant mercy even before Shylock asked for it. I pardon thee thy life before thou askest it. I am ready to forgive you. I don't want to take your life. I don't want to give you the death sentence. So I free you from that punishment even before you ask. For half thy wealth it is Antonio's. The other half which comes to the general state, half the wealth which goes to the state of Venice, which humbleness may drive into a fine. The Duke is ready to forgive Antonio and take only a fine, so that only a fine, he will not take all the wealth and property of Shylock. So here you see the difference in the attitude of Duke and Shylock. Portia, I for the state, not for Antonio. For the state it's alright, but what about Antonio? What has Antonio decided regarding half the wealth of Shylock? Then Shylock, nay, take my life and all. How can I live without my house, without any money? Pardon not that. You can take all that also. You can take my life also along with my wealth and property. You take my house when you do take the prop. Without a house, I have no place of shelter. I have no support. So you may as well take my life. That's what Shylock says. You take my house when you do take the prop that doth sustain my house. You take my life when you do take the means whereby I live. I will not be able to live if I don't have a house. So if you are taking away my house, my wealth and property, you may as well take my life. What mercy can you render him, Antonio? Before that, Gratiano puts his voice, a halter gratis, nothing else, for God's sake. Give him a rope. Give Shylock a rope, that's the only thing that he deserves. Antonio, so please my lord the Duke and all the court, to quit the fine for one half of his goods. I am content. So he will let me have the other half in use to render it unto his death, upon his death, unto the gentleman that lately stole his daughter. So the state has reduced the punishment only to a fine. And Antonio says he is ready to forgive Shylock if he writes a deed, if he signs a document that after his wealth, after his death, all his property and wealth will belong to Lorenzo, who stole his daughter Jessica. So Shylock should sign a document by which he will hand over after his death all his wealth and property to Lorenzo and Shylock. I am content, so he will let me have the other half in use to render it upon his death unto the gentleman that lately stole his daughter. Antonio is a wealthy merchant. He does not need the wealth and property of Shylock. So he wants that to be given to Lorenzo after Shylock's death. Two things provided more. Two more conditions. That for this favor, for the favor that we are giving Shylock, favor, that is they will not give him the death sentence, that for this favor he presently become a Christian. He should become a Christian, which is the most difficult thing for Shylock to do. The other, that he do record a gift here in the court of all he dies possessed unto his son Lorenzo and his daughter. So the second condition I already mentioned it. Shylock should sign a document giving all his wealth and property after his death to Lorenzo and Jessica. Duke, he shall do this, or else I do recant. Recant means I will withdraw the death sentence, which I will withdraw what I told. I will withdraw the forgiveness which I have granted Shylock. He shall do this, or else I do recant. I will not forgive him if he does not agree to these conditions. Now, do you feel any sympathy for Shylock at this moment? Because becoming a Christian is one of the most difficult things for him. It is almost asking him to change his religion. He shall do this, or else I do recant. I will withdraw the forgiveness which I gave him, the pardon that I lately pronounced here, the forgiveness, that is the cancellation of the death penalty. Art thou contented, Jew? What dost thou say? Shylock cannot say anything, so he has to be satisfied. I am content. Clerk, draw a deed of gift. Portia is advising the clerk, that is Nerissa, to draw up the document giving all his wealth and property to Jessica and Lorenzo. Deed of gift is the document which Shylock has to sign. I pray you give me leave to go from hence. I have had enough of this. I only want to go away from this court. I am not well. Send the deed after me. Send the document after me. Send it to my house and I will sign it. I will sign it there. The document by which Lorenzo and Jessica will get all the wealth and property of Shylock after his death. So Shylock leaves the court. Get thee gone, but do it. In christening shalt thou have 2 godfathers. Had I been judge, thou shouldst have had 10 more, to bring thee to the gallows, not to the front. In the baptism, in the Christian religion, there is a godfather and godmother who will stand surety for the baby, that the baby will walk in the right path and not be led astray into doing something wrong. So Graciano says that at Shylock's baptism, he would have 10 godfathers and they will bring him not to the baptismal front where the baby is baptized, but to the gallows, that is to be hanged. Sir, I entreat you home with me to dinner. Duke is requesting Portia to accompany them for dinner. I humbly do desire your grace of pardon. You must forgive me. I cannot accept your invitation to dinner. I must away this night towards Padua. I have to go, reach Padua tonight. And it is meet I presently set forth. I have to go immediately. It is urgent. It is important that I reach Padua. I am sorry that your leisure serves you not. I am sorry that you have no time to accompany us to dinner. Antonio, gratify this gentleman, for in my mind you are much bound to him. Antonio, gratify, give some reward to him. Portia has saved your life, so she is deserving of some reward which you should give to her. For in my mind you are much bound to him. You are much obliged to him. She has saved your life and you have to be grateful to him. Exeunt Duke, Magnificus and Train. Now we will stop there for this class. We will continue in the next class.